Hey, remember tags on YouTube? I'm going to do a tag video. This one will be about if you were able to go for, I don't know, 3 or 4 days up to a week and kind of camp out and learn to, survive and hang out in an eco region outside of your own. Where would you go? And when I say eco region outside of your own, I mean someplace that's kind of, not like your own. So if you want to say the swamps and bayous of eastern Louisiana versus the swamp and bayous of western Mississippi, I would say those are too close. But if you want to say, like, let's say the mountains of Colorado versus the mountains of Maine, well, yeah, they're both mountains, but they're two separate ecoregions because they are not like each other at all. Or like the eastern woodlands of Ohio versus the, eastern woodlands of western Pennsylvania, too close. But if you want to say the woodlands of Oregon and Washington versus the woodlands of, I don't know, Northwest or Georgia, that's different. That's okay, because those are, they're both woodlands. Those are two completely different woodlands. So where would I like to go and kind of train or camp out and hang out for a week to figure things out? I'd like to go to the desert. I've always been fascinated with the desert, particularly the deserts of the Southwest United States. So that's where I would like to go. Which one in particular? I don't think it really matters for me. Kind of like them all as long as it's the desert. And as you can see, I'm not really in the desert ecoregion. And for most of my videos, I'm not really in the desert ecoregion. But yes, particularly the deserts of the Southwest United States. So, the rules of this, besides that, is to tag 3 people outside of your own ecoregion. So, for that, I'm going to tag Mark over at Eat Carbs. I'm going to tag Dave at Reallybigmonkey1, because we're not in the same ecoregion. His region may kind of look like this sometimes, but he's not anywhere near me. And I'm going to tag James at Junkyard Fox. So go ahead and please, post a video response and tag 3 other people. Thanks.